Hi team, Miss Vaughn here. I want to make a little video just to talk to you about what you're going to be doing today with the sub. To clarify it, you're going to be working on 4 different things. The first thing is that you're going to be given a handout that says expert group roles for Frankenstein. There are 6 roles on that handout. Each of you and you're going to be responsible for one. So there's going to be like 3 or 4 roles that are left over. For role number 6, it tells you to choose a line of inquiry and then explore how it develops over the course of the novel. Multiple of you could do role number 6, but for all the other roles, only 1 per person. In terms of organization, like how y'all are going to do this, I would suggest first looking at your quote trackers. And if you've done a good job with your quote trackers, that would be the first place for you to look for evidence. And then just organize your work in the same way. So quotes on the left-hand side, drop a table into your document. Quotes on the left-hand side, explanation on the right-hand side. You and your group members should all be working in the same document as you are putting together all of this information. And then each of you is also going to turn in this document to Canvas when you're done. And this is going to be the preparation that's going to guide the discussion that you all have in class on Monday. The other thing that you guys are going to do, which I suggest that you do tomorrow, after everyone has hopefully finished the book, you're going to have a brief group discussion about the end of the book, and you're going to talk about ways in which you were satisfied with the ending or maybe not satisfied with the ending. And then you're also going to revisit that biographical essay that we read about Mary Shelley. And you're going to write a little bit after you talk about it, why the ending of the book is fitting based on what her life was all about. The other 2 things that you can work on are your quotes. I opened up the due date so that you should be able to turn them in today in class. And then the other thing that I want you all to work on is completing that non-literary text slideshow for the story of a generation and 7 scams, the social media excerpt. Read that, do your slides, and remember for your slides, you need to do more than just summarize what's happening within the text. And some of you, like it's really clear when you haven't read the whole thing, you've just based your summary on what we talk about in class. So make sure your summary is covering the whole text. And then also don't forget to include your connections between the 2 texts too. So that way you have all these wonderful notes to go back to when we do our IO, which starts after we write our Frankenstein essay next week. All right, be nice to each other, be nice to the sub, email me if you have any questions. I'll see you on Monday when I get back. Bye.